it's a pretty good bet that the Google Pixel 8a is going to break cover at Google I/O 2024 on May 14th. And as the day approaches, we've seen a pile of new leaks turn up that give us a better idea of what we can expect from this mid-ranger. First up is well-known tipster Evan Blass, who has posted an extensive set of pictures of the Pixel 8a. You can see the phone from the front and the back, and at an angle, and in its 4 rumored colors. These designs have previously been leaked, so there's not a whole lot that's new here, but it's more evidence that this is indeed what the Pixel 8a is going to look like. The images are sharp and clear too, giving us a good look. As we edge closer to Google I/O 2024, the tech community is buzzing with anticipation for the Google Pixel 8a. Leaks and rumors are painting a picture of a device that not only follows its predecessor's footsteps in offering a premium experience at an affordable price, but also sets new benchmarks for mid-range smartphones. The Pixel 8a is rumored to sport a design similar to the Pixel 8, featuring a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1,400 nits of peak HDR brightness. This display is expected to deliver a fluid and vibrant viewing experience, closely matching the higher-end Pixel 8. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is expected to be powered by the Tensor G3 processor, ensuring smooth performance and efficient power consumption. It's likely to come with options of 128 or 256 gigabyte storage and a robust 4,500 milliampere battery supported by 27-watt charging. The camera setup might mirror the Pixel 7a with a 64 megapixel main sensor, complemented by a 13 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. However, the Pixel 8a is set to elevate the photography experience with its AI camera, featuring the best take feature that intelligently selects the best shot. On the software front, the Pixel 8a will run on Android 14 and inherit the AI capabilities of the Pixel 8 series. This includes Magic Audio Eraser, Smart Replies in Gboard, and other AI-driven enhancements. Moreover, it's rumored to receive 7 years of security updates, showcasing Google's commitment to long-term support. The Google Pixel 8a seems set to be a game changer, offering top-tier features without breaking the bank. It's like having a bit of luxury in your everyday. Keep your eyes peeled for the big reveal at Google I/O 2024, and let's see if the Pixel 8a lives up to the hype. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.